Kang sa'kin magpapaligaya. Baby, this time in my love that you'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, she's back in his life, and it feels alright. Maybe this time, love on it. Bakit hindi ko maramdaman ikaw sa akin ang mahalaga? Ako sa'yo'y kaibigan lang.